my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Leia, and we're working on ball gymnastics activities. If you like these, there's a whole playlist of these activities. On this one, we're doing a super challenging activity. On this one, you are balancing and not having your feet on the floor. As you can see, when I do this, I use my arms a lot. The smaller the ball, the harder it is. So a lot of times what I'll do is start off with holding, here we go, I need you. One hand, can you lift up your legs? And keep your balance. Now what I noticed Leia did was really smart. She widened up her base of support immediately. Can you crisscross your legs? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love it. 1, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. So another way you can do it is with your ball backed up to a wall or to a chair. So why don't you hop off your ball? Let's put it right here. Now can you sit on it crisscross applesauce and not fall off? Okay, good. You were trying that earlier. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, too easy. Now, come on out to the middle. We've done it with a handheld. We've done it with our back to something. And now in the middle of the room, I'm here to spot. I'm ready. I see you're gonna do the method where you have your feet out wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have a question. Can you make it rock side to side? 1, 2, too hard. All right, well, how about forward and back? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You want to try the side to side? Put your hands down on the ball and it'll make it a little bit easier. Put them on the outside, out here. Now try going side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Terrific. So it's a fun way to work on balance activities. Again, if I add a ball into most activities, kids think it is more fun. Make sure with these balance activities that you spot, that you have something soft down around them so that if they go down, which inevitably they usually do, that they have something soft to help catch them when they fall. I hope this is a helpful idea for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye! If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.